The Mozart theme from the classical Showdown comes from Mozart's Symphony No. 40 in G minor. This is my very favorite symphony from Mozart. Let's go ahead and jump right into the theme. Take your second finger and put it on the F and your thumb on the E, and we'll play this 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times, and then jump to C. Walking down, walking down, walking down. Same thing on E. E, D, D, E, D, D, E, D, D, jump to B, walking down, walking down, walking down. Let's slow that down just a bit. Second finger on F and play this 3 times. F, E, E, F, E, E, F, E, E, jump to the C. Now we're going to take the pinky and start the walk down. Walking down, you want to pick up your hand, come straight back down on the same note, walking down. This time you're going to move to the third finger on the same key and walking down for the last part. Then the second part is exactly the same. Instead of starting here, you'll start with your second finger on E and do the same finger, same pattern. E, D, D, E, D, D, E, D, D, jump to the B, walking down, which is sharp, same finger, come up and play it again, walking down, switch to the third finger, walking down. And then we get back into the handle. Okay, finish learning the Mozart theme and then we'll get into the Beethoven theme.